Welcome back. Today's topic is mango leaves' medical benefits. Mango leaves are believed to offer various potential benefits, though scientific research on some of these claims is limited. Some of the suggested benefits include 1. Diabetes management. Mango leaves may help lower blood sugar levels due to their potential insulin-like effects. 2. Digestive health. They could aid in treating digestive issues like diarrhea, dysentery, and indigestion. 3. Respiratory health. Mango leaves might help alleviate respiratory problems such as asthma and bronchitis. 4. Blood pressure regulation. They may contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. 5. Anemia treatment. Mango leaves contain iron and can be used to treat anemia. 6. Antioxidant properties. Compounds in mango leaves might have antioxidant effects, protecting cells from damage. 7. Stress relief. Preparing a tea from mango leaves could potentially help reduce stress and anxiety. 8. Skin health. Some suggest that mango leaf extract can be applied topically for skin conditions like burns and boils. Remember that while these benefits are mentioned in traditional practices, it's important to consult a medical professional before using mango leaves or any other natural remedies for health purposes.